I know somebody gonna be like, why you ain't style it? Girl, I did. Stop playing with them. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WOWAFRICAN. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now, y'all know it's hot outside and your girl's not spraying nothing to her face, okay? No lace to the face. And WOWAFRICAN said, we stand with you. They sent me their new glueless cap to try out, and we're gonna do that. But before we do, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you wanna see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, like I said, this unit comes to us from WOWAFRICAN. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Now, this one right here is getting us ready for the fall because the color, the cherry brown, WOWAFRICAN comes with the texture and the colors for the high quality girls. Quality. So I'm excited to try this one. The styling for this unit will be very simple because we are focusing on the gluelessness of this wig. Brand new, brand new. We are promoting this wig with the new glueless option. It comes with the silicone tabs on the side around the ears and also the silicone nape grip in the back. I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a little iffy only because it's a lot of silicone. All y'all that's not outside, it's hot, okay? It is blazing out there. Like, I don't mind glueless, but I don't want sweat. So we're gonna definitely test this out outside. We're gonna see what she's sitting like. The hairline is looking good. The knots are bleached, I think. I see some questionable areas, but they bleach for the most part, and the hair is feeling soft and manageable. So I'm excited about this. Let's first put this wig on. Now, as far as the cap construction is concerned, it does come with the combs, the elastic band, and the adjustable straps in the back of my wig. I don't really understand the point of the combs if I have the silicone nape grip plus the elastic band. I'm not gonna use the combs, especially these ones right here. I mean, I know some people like them, but if y'all can just give the option to not have the combs or not add the combs, that'll be great because I don't use these at all. Especially when you have this right here, what's the point of the comb? Because this is supposed to hold it, right? That's the point. But like I said, it does come with the elastic band already in my wig. You're not allowed to move it anywhere. So basically where they stitch it at is where it is. So they pretty much give you the standard head shape placement. So this could be good or bad for me. Y'all know how I am. My head is big. Ooh, that feels good. This is long. This ain't no 20-inch. WOWAFRICAN, this is 20 inches? Wait a minute. When brands be saying we give you a 20-inch, but then it comes to my shoulders, 20 inches for WOWAFRICAN clearly means when you pull out a strand, it's gonna be 20 inches. Okay. This color is gorgeous. Quality. Let me stop because it's not really about the color. It's about the fit. If it doesn't fit, you must quit. Let me just go ahead and clip this up. Make sure it's fitting down on my head where I want it. I have a little excess on my ear tabs that I do not need. Make sure I'm not cutting into the silicone part, which is, where is it at? It's right here. Ooh, that's cutting it real close. It's probably best to cut this off your head, but I'm gonna cut it on my head because I'm a rebel. It's a little thick on my ears, so I'm just gonna pull out some hair right here. This is optional, you don't have to do this. Brush this out. So this is how we are looking. I didn't use no product under my lace. This is just on my head, straight off the pack on my head. Now, it doesn't come with a strong chemical smell, but I still suggest you wash your wig. More than likely when I wash this wig, it will swell because of the texture. It is a coarse Yaki texture. So you will want to sleek it out like I'm about to do when I do my my brush down. I wish the hairline was a little bit more, it wasn't so like straight across. Like it's more like an oval. It doesn't really give me any definition. So I'm gonna try to make some definition when I style it up based on how I, you know, swoop the edges or whatever. A little far back, looking a little heady. This is how it's sitting on my head without any product. Blown in the wind who? Listen, I was a little iffy about those silicone grips. It's pretty much adding like a little weight to my sides to keep my sides down. Okay. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse on my hairline just to give me a little molding so my lace can melt. Pat that on in. And you can use your brush to kind of swoop the hairs or whatever you're gonna do. Y'all know I don't swoop, I swish. I cannot see what I'm doing. I rarely get ear tabs on my wigs just because how the wigs fit. But this is fitting pretty good on my head. They do offer this wig in a small, medium, or large. I don't know if they sent me the large or not, but I'll be sure to ask them. Now, y'all didn't send me a band, Wild African. What's that about, huh? Get on board with the bands, okay? We need the bands. For the hair, I'm gonna use my blow dryer brush, and I'm just gonna sleek this out. First, let me get my part together because it's a little janky jank. I'm pretty sure this is 6 inches of parting space.
That's impossible.
6 inches.
It's going back and back. I'm gonna take a little oldie but goodie Blue Magic hair grease. Not that much, wait a minute. Okay, before I blow dry it out, try to control them flyaways before I get them. I'm gonna use my blow dryer first on the top to flatten this little humpy situation out. I'm gonna put it on high and warm. Then I'm gonna take my blow dryer brush and I'm gonna blow through this hair on high. Let's take off the band, see what we looking like. Ooh, okay, okay. Just gotta move the hairs a little bit. Move that back. Let me just clip it to the back. I might wear it like that. Bars. Sometimes I gotta make sure my hairline is sitting where I want her to sit. Here's my brush, here's my brush. Let's brush some of the hairs. Again, not swooping. I'm a swisher. Ooh, cute, cute. Still glueless. If I wanted more like a flowy look with some curls, I could cut layers into it. I'm using my 360 mocha powder right up in the parting space. No frizzies, come on grease. Let me move this down some. And I think that is it, y'all. Wait a minute. Okay, y'all, this is how we are looking with this one. Y'all saw what I did. Barely anything. If you are looking for a kinky straight wig, but you want a little spice, okay, add a little sprinkle of color, here you go right here. The cherry brown is a look. A look. Let me get my comb. Hold up, hold up. It is still glueless on my head. This hairline is sitting down real nice. The ear tabs, okay, look, they're not flapping in the wind. I didn't use no bobby pins, no wig grip. They're sitting comfortably on top of my ear. Again, I don't know what size they sent me. The sizing will matter, okay? They come in small, medium, and large. Make sure you measure your head and get the perfect fit for your head. I don't feel like it's gonna blow in the wind, especially because I have my glasses on, so it helps hold my wig down. But if you're a little iffy about that, wear your wig grip or whatever lace spray you have to tack it down right here in the front to give you a little bit more security, and you'll be just fine. I was a little iffy about the silicone, but I don't feel like it's gonna add any additional sweating on my unit, so you know. I think the fit of the cap is really nice. It feels very secure on my head. I'm kind of here for the silicone grips so far. I do feel a little heat picking up back here around my nape, but this hair is long. This is 20 inches, meaning each strand of hair on here is 20 inches. Let me show you, right here on the pack. 20 inches. Can y'all see that? 20. Stop playing with them. And it's 180% density, so expect the expected. Get your claw clip or your ponytail and go ahead and bust that wig up off your nape. Okay, y'all, so here we go, here we go. It's been about, I wanna say like 3 hours since I last saw y'all. Your girl was sweating in Target, but I feel good. I don't feel like the silicone grips are bringing any extra moisture to my dome than usual. You will still get a little flappage around there, so you can definitely use your bobby pin to, you know, secure it to your side. I no longer glue wigs to the sides of my head just because I want to protect my edges, and after a while my sideburns normally pop up. I'm gonna pin it down or use my glasses, and we're gonna go on about our business. At this point in my life, I don't care if people know that I wear a wig. I want you to ask me if I'm wearing a wig because I want to share. Okay, sharing is caring, and I got a coupon. I know somebody gonna be like, why you ain't style it? Girl, I did. The The bust down middle part is a style. Hello. I don't want to do curls. For what? It's a textured wig. I know they're gonna fall. Ain't no point. But if you want to do like a raw set or something, you can definitely do that. But wait a minute, what's going on right here? This one, like it's too square right here. Hold up. Let me just pull that out. Here we go. Here we go. Now this one does cost a pretty penny. I do have a coupon code, but it still costs a pretty penny. So this one may be added to the list. My birthday month kicks off the holidays, so you know, get your conversation voice ready. Okay, Daddy Papa is on the line. But that's what I got for y'all today. Shout out one more time to Wow African for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.